Hello everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Jiangsu Haiyida Metal Products Company. It's a comprehensive manufacturing company integrating steel production, trade, processing, logistics, and distribution. First, let's visit our cold-rolled stainless steel raw materials. Then we can see these are our stainless steel on-coil machine production line. Combined with our expensive coil inventory, this equipment enables stainless to reduce delivery times, even for special lengths, while providing our customers with improved flatness and quality. Here is finished stainless steel plate warehouse. We cooperate with many partners all over the world, such as America, Europe, the Middle East, and so on. Now we can see here is our stainless steel slitting machine. The stainless steel coil will be processed into stainless steel strip. The wedge also can be customized. Behind of me, this is our grinding machine. At the end, I will show you our bending machine. Let's take a closer look at them.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.